Good morning. Ooh, you guys started soon. Starting quick. How are you both doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. Oh, I keep forgetting. All right. Let me open up the softwares. They've been closed because I did not work on them at all this weekend. Two ads? Oof. I'm sorry. Yeah, he's not subbed because he doesn't know how. He doesn't know how. It's okay. He doesn't have to sub. Yeah, it makes me cry too. But off stream. The second the stream ends, I usually I just emotionally erupt into a pile of tears. You feel like you sub every month. This is month 3 now. Month 3. Here we go. Gift a sub. You're just asking for a gift. Hey, anybody want to gift me a sub? I've never seen that before. That might work. Project status. Ooh. It's alright. It's just been going real slow. You know, when work picks up, I get too tired to do game dev at night, and work's been picking up, and it's been very eventful these last few weeks. Lots of activity, figuring out the move. There's a lot of stuff to move internationally, and just trying to get it all in order. So, and then it was my wife's birthday this weekend, so I did not touch my computer the entire time. Laptop stayed closed. Yeah. But here we are. We're gonna do a couple hours a week if that's all we can, and that's fine. I left off last time. I was doing hats. I was trying to get hats in the game, and it's just a big dilemma with hats, because if you're gonna pick out hair and the hair is big and you want to put a hat on it, it doesn't work. So it's almost like every piece of hair needs a hat slot, like a socket, or I just swap out to one of like a few hair friendly or hat friendly hairs. I still store the hair you want, but then I can have like a hat hair. So if it's a long hair, I swap it out for a long hair that's hat friendly. I'm thinking about doing that. So let's see if I can get that going. I don't really want to, but it'll help. Every little bit helps. So I think I did it all already. Excuse me. I moved with 2 checked bags and 2 carry-ons. I left a stack of boxes in my parents' garage that I've since decided I can mostly live without. Yeah, I think I have one box of like sentimental crap at my mom's place. And if I never saw it again, I don't think I'd be upset. Sentimental stuff is funny. You look at it and you go, oh, I'm gonna want to look at this and like on my deathbed and just remember it. I don't know. Is that what it's for? You just want to just want proof that you existed. But I'm subject to sentimental stuff piling up. I have to throw it away immediately because I know if it sticks around for too long, it'll hit that. Existentialism early, yeah. It is a little early. 6:45. I woke up same time as usual, 6 on the dot, and I was somehow able to get all my chores done before. Alright. So I have all my starter hats. And they fit, and they fit under the hair, and they're good to go. But now, there's a few hats that have purpose in the game other than being a starter hat. So decorations like the role-playing table. That music's really loud. Is that music crazy loud? Okay. Like the role-playing table, I want like different like D&D hats to pop up on people's heads. Excuse me. So I'm thinking full helmet's gonna be tough, but let's try it. Let's see if we can get a good fit. So I just have to like take off the hair. So hats need to. They need to take this hair off. Unless I just do it crazy oversized. Alright, we'll go with that. Excuse me. So I'm gonna put it in here. With the wizard hat, and I need a better wizard hat. The fries hat, yeah, it's ridiculous. Alright, what are other role-playing game hats? Excuse me. There's a lot of pirates. Roman soldier. This is like a bard's hat. It's cool. I don't know, is that it? I don't want to make anything right now, so whatever's in this that's it. Guess that's it. Well, let's actually put some hair on, because how else will we know what's going on? So this is the hat-friendly hair. Cool. I feel like I can turn this into the wizard's hat. Pretty easily. Excuse me. So this is like bard hat. This is warrior helmet. Soldier. How's everybody doing? Tell me about your lives. Should I just make one of them these? Maybe the cleric. Yeah, this is the cleric. Duh. Crunching hard on editor. This year's level design compo will be Toit. Yes. I'm looking forward to that. I really like the last one. It was a nice low stakes way to do some level design and have fun. I really enjoyed it. You guys are doing the Lord's work. Yeah, this hat is ridiculous. It can't be too popey. How do I make this less Pope-like? Wait a minute. Alright, so Pope hat. Excuse me. So it's exactly the Pope's hat. Let's just see generic cleric hat. So yeah, it's just a generic cleric's hat. Oh my god. Alright, it's fine. I think squashing it helped. Ooh, I like this song. What is this? It is something I've never heard of. Put beer holders on it? No. There was a beer holder hat. I deleted it. I said goodbye. The blood of Christ. Oh, it's horrible. Okay, I've got 4 hats. So that's all I need. There's only 4 chairs. Are there any other activities that require a hat? So like, should I just spawn this on the player when you cook? Or maybe there's like job specific hats, so if I do hire a chef, they get that hat. That can come much later. Santa. I'll definitely need the Santa hat. Okay, that's it. Should I put this on the dog? The bunny ears. I know. I had a whole crisis about that last stream. I'm just like, what does it say? What do I keep this? Is it inappropriate? It might be. I'm not gonna worry about it for now because it's not in the game. It's just sitting there in a scene. Okay. Let's get this in the game. Clothing. So this is character props, but this is like decoration, like other props. But let's just call it decoration hats or extra hats. Activity hats? Activity hats. Okay. Character props. Export. Yes, please. All right. Add a bunny nose on a string. Problem solved. Yeah. That might make it worse. Okay. This is good. This is good. Let's just get into Unity because I don't want to make any more art. I want to make content. I want to make the game. There's a few things I want to finish up. I gotta check my to-do list. I just want to really get that the guest group mechanic just in properly, because right now it's in a half state. It functions if I hit a GUI button, like if I hit a debug button, but I want to get it where I can actually play it. Alright, let's put hats in though. So, to put hats in the game, I need to close you. I'll open it back up later when I need it. Guest group system, guest groups in tally. Calendar, okay, character definition. Character prop. Oh, I already made hat. Wait. How far did I go? Oh no. It looks like I started doing this and I don't remember how far I got. Save the GUI stuff for when the rest of Riffraff shows up. They like that. Oh, the Riffraff. Actually, I was gonna make a new NPC, or I was gonna like write some dialogue and like get the PR person set up. I wanted the PR person to be one of the first guests that shows up, and then they like the town so much they're like, you know what, I'm gonna move here, and then they move into an empty house, and then they become your PR person. They'll be like your own personal fanboy. Okay. So I don't know how far I got with this. It's really dangerous because I have to add hats like in 10 different places. So let's just go where all the places are and see if hats are there. And a good way to do that is just do shoes or hair. So I already add the hat prop here. And I say if hat, add new prop. Oh, okay. So this is where I left off. Woo, it's a good thing I left a note. So here's where I left off, because now I need, first of all, I need to add a property to hair. That's basically, is long hair or short hair? Public. So I mean, this is really gross that I'm going to add this to all props. I'm going to add just a drop down that says what kind of hair it is, and you know, even shirts will have this property, which I don't love, but it's the world we live in. Hair type. We'll do a little bit of none. Short. Long. Also, why is this not formatting? You're hurting my feelings. Wait, would that have done it? Okay. As much as I don't like Animal Crossing, which is crazy to hear for someone making a game like this, I love the Animal Crossing music. Oh my god. Every time I hear it, I'm just like, yes. That's what this is. Long-haired, ew. I went into a museum exhibit at the LACMA, which is the LA Museum of Modern Art. Oh my god, they had a thing. This basically secured me to never go back ever again. They had a room which it was just a house woven entirely of human hair, and it smelled disgusting. Just imagine what a room full of human hair would smell like, and that's exactly what it smelled like. And we walked in, we're just like, oh, what is this like weird fabric? It looks like coarse wool or something. And we like step into the room, into the house that was dangling from the ceiling. It was like a fully enclosed house that was like 20 feet wide on either direction. And we're standing in the center, and then there's a plaque that says, this is a house of human hair. And we're just like, oh, I started gagging. and I ran out. And in the next room was a floor sculpture where it was like hundreds of thousands of cigarettes all leaning up against each other diagonally, and some were upside down and some were right side up, or some were showing like the orange filter and some were showing white, and using that alternating orange and white, it made like a picture of a tiger. And it smelled horrible because cigarettes smell horrible, but it was really cool looking. So it was like, all right. But it was too much for my senses. Going from the hair room to the cigarette room, I'm just like, no, I'm never coming back, LACMA. Never. Let's see. So yeah, definitely American Horror Story. Mike Lombardo will be here when you get back. I like how I call him by his full name. I wonder what kind of meeting he's on. I wonder if it's a 3D related meeting. Okay. We're in. So, I got to do some logic here. So let's just comment code it. So first I need to check if hair is long or short or none. Then I need to assign appropriate hair. Alt hair. Is that it? Oh, and then assign hair material again. What up, NASA? How are you? And then, is that it? Just material, assign, done, right? Yeah. Oh, weird. Okay. Okay, we're good. Let's do this. Like shirt mesh, assign material, shirt material prop. Do I do this twice? Shirt mesh, assign material prop. Yeah, I do it twice. Whatever. For safety. Okay, so I think I need to add hats to the... Wait, remove prop. Oh. I actually didn't... I don't think I use remove prop anywhere. But I should definitely implement it in case I decide to remove it. Let's see. I don't think I did glasses either. Oh, oops. I was ahead of myself there. Is that it? Yeah, I don't have pants. We don't have pants. So now I need to add it to the serializer. Oh, I already did. Okay. I already have it here. Hat prop. Hat prop. Hat prop. Hat, and then... Yep. Set. Okay, I already added it. Nice. That makes me feel good on the inside. The insides. Do I have it in the scroll manager? So that's all it needs to be there. And then guest summary page. Nope, that's irrelevant. Oh, I need the randomizer. Oh, this is a good one. Azalea Town. Is that a Pokemon thing? Oh, I'm obsessed with this YouTube channel. It says I need to credit it if I'm gonna use it on stream. But well, I don't know if anyone's interested. If anyone's interested. I can't copy paste? Why can't I copy paste? There we go. I should make a little widget on the screen that shows what I'm listening to. Normally I'm listening to like Ghibli, like Cafe Ghibli. I have a couple of Cafe Piano Ghibli channels where it's just like 8 hours of Ghibli music in like piano jazz rendition. I'll listen to that or just the calming Zelda music. But that I cannot listen to here. That is just straight ripped from the game. Evby. Oh, she was my favorite Full House character? Who? What random word did you just latch onto? That's the Evby game. Send me a picture of send me a picture you want to show off. I want to show Evby's Comic-Con costume. It was pretty incredible. You guys got to see all the... So every time Evby showed up and was like, I'm foaming, it meant he was making his costume for Comic-Con. And Comic-Con was this weekend, and it was awesome. Send me a text. Send me the one picture you want to show off. I want to show it off. And if you don't want to show it off, that's fine. Yeah, he stole the show. But they did not let him into the costume contest because he was 1 second too late, even though they told him a later time. He showed up early. It's bullshit. I feel bad. Okay, so hats are technically in the game. Let's add it to the start menu and see how we do. It was big time BS. Hells yeah. They just couldn't handle the competition? No, I couldn't handle it. It's too much. I have way too many character panels. I think I'm gonna consolidate colors and like if I have separate panels for color and for prop, I think I need to consolidate. Where are they? Character creation panel, scroll views, panels, tabs. Okay. So where do I want to add it? Hats, they go to the end. And I'm going to take from shirts. Oh wait, actually I want to take it from hair because it's going to have the right camera stuff. The people that won were just people that looked like Robert Downey Jr., Benedict Cumberbatch, and Jeremy Renner. Oh, like they just physically looked like them. Rumor is that there may have been a confrontation with Dan Hardy. Who's Dan Hardy? Don't get me wrong, it was incredible, but like their costume and effort was just the fact that they happened to look like these people and then get together, probably professionally. They're professional Comic-Con costume contest winners. Oh snap! Okay, so we got a couple of photos here. All right, so here is Evby. Incredible. Look at that. That's insane. So feel free to describe it beyond what I do, but basically it's Captain America holding Thor's hammer, simultaneously being taken over by Venom. Insane. crazy, man. Crazy. Look at that. I love this. And if you didn't notice that this is like a lit up neon tube. So it like lights up in the dark. You got any photos of you in the dark? You got to take a pic where it's just you in a completely dark room just with the hammer. Sick. Good shit. Okay, so where was the hats? I mean, hair. Hair. Huh. That's funny. So, the word hat, you pluralize it by saying hats. 1 hat, 2 hats. Hair. So you say hair, and when you say hairs, you're just talking about multiple hairs. But it's also pluralized in terms of like, just, I don't know. Without the S, it's kind of pluralized. If I'm describing a bunch of hair, it's a bunch of hair. It's not a bunch of hairs. Oh, I'm confused. Waters, yes. Peoples. Well, peoples. I don't think you could pluralize peoples. That's intrinsically only plural. Language. Language is weird. Welcome back. Welcome back, Mike. Alright. Should be almost done. It's pretty easy to add these extra props in the menu. I need to, this is the annoying part. I need to add the button to the tabs. The Odin Inspector, although I love it, it's kind of buggy. Basically, I have to, I drag it over the list I want to add it to. And I just, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. See, it didn't work. While it's flickering like that, that's how I know I have a 50-50 shot of it working. Like, I have to get it on the flicker. It's pretty bad. Okay, I got it. And then one more. I need to add it to a submenu. List, submenus. "17 items. Cool. That should be it. Peoples means something like civilizations or... Oh, peoples. Yeah, I guess that is... Yeah, that is... Yeah, you're right. You're totally right. It didn't make sense until you said that. A lot of people will say something about their comfortability, but it's just comfort. Comfortability is not a word. Oh, comfortability. Right. Yeah, comfort. It's just comfort. These are just Unity errors. All right, let's check out hats. So it should just, so hats should just work. Oh, oops. Nope, they should not work because I haven't made any yet. All I did was make the menu. And I need an icon. I mean, this is a hat, and this is a better hat. There we go. Okay. Oops, what did I just do? Nothing. All right, I need to make all the damn hats. That's gonna take me a minute. It's a lot of manual labor. But cue my hunger stomach growls. I love it. So these are my character props. I need to bring them in. Let's see. Starter hats. Okay, I got a lot of hats here. And they're all hidden because they were hidden in my export, which is annoying, but whatever. These all get IT happy. Oh, no, they don't. They do not all get IT happy. All those caps get something different. The caps get the standard, get those singular colored ramps because I didn't want to make new ones. All right, that's gonna be annoying. Which, it's actually not so bad. So what I can do is, oh, wait. Wait, yeah. Like the baseball caps that I made, they should not have IT happy asset on it. I thought they had like they had a regular material, like a different material. It was basically 112 through. Oh yeah, and I was gonna make the Spidey hat. I was gonna finish making it. So like this hat. What did I make? Oh, that was for shirt colors. Oh my god, I'm getting everything confused. Yes, these all have IT happy on it. But the one thing that did mess up is this hat, I don't know why it's gray. Like the New York is supposed to be orange. It's in the orange. That's very strange. And no matter what I do, it doesn't change color. It's always gray. Okay, whatever. Oh, I think I know what happened. I think that's the default color that's popping up. So I need to assign IT happy. No? Whatever. Prop IT happy asset. Player IT happy asset. Okay. Why is it so shiny? I think I did it for the glasses and I didn't realize I was going to put it on everything. Oh, that's annoying. So yeah, this is set for glasses. And it has some emission. Oh my god, what is this set for? What have I done? Alright, it's fine. Let's just... Look, can we just make these, please? Can we just move on with our lives? So I should be able to just drag and drop. So now they're all prefabs. And... Oh, wait. Oh, that's not where the prefabs go. The prefabs go... Character props prefabs. They go here. So let's just move these there. I have the Remy. I hope he comes back. That was amazing how Gonzi got Remy to show up as I was talking about him. Okay, so now this is where the hairs go. So we need prop hat 01. Oh wait, we need a 00, which is no hat. And let's just set all these values. So hat. Hat 2. No material. Set ID. And sub-property. It is none. It is the head socket, and that's it. So I can duplicate this how many times? Many? I think I need like 25 hats. That should be enough. Oh, it is not happy. Okay. It is not IT happy. So actually this gets none. And then this gets the first one. This gets 6. 26. These are horrible names. I should have renumbered them. 29. 37. 41. Oh, this is terrible. What an idiot. Don't do this. If you're going to be organized, be organized. 52, right? 50. 52. 55. 57. I hate this part. I wish I can just auto do this, which I can, but then I gotta write a tool. I'd rather just brute force it. 87. Wait, right? 81, 87, 88, 89, 96, 103, 104, 105. 6. Comfortable tootiness. I like that. What was I up to? 106. 107. Okay, we're almost done. 108. So close. 109. 110. Oh my god, we're so close. 111. And 112. Okay. And then these are unused. So now we have starter hats. I can delete those. Is that it? Is that it? Oh, okay. Now we need to set the hair, the hat hair. And I never made a button. Hat props. Hat props. That's amazing. Okay, so this will randomly assign a hat, but I don't want a hat. Like if this does a random index in the array, which means if I have 20 hats, there's only 1 in 20 chance when I hit random character, a hat won't be there. So I kind of only want a hat if it's like 30%. So 30% of the time we'll have a hat. 30% of the time, we'll just have no hat. Okay, that feels right. Okay, now what I need to do is make a button in my clothing section. Random shoe color. I do still do that. I'm gonna remove that eventually. It just doesn't feel right anymore. Okay. And then I do want to remove hat. Oh, this is a hat group. And then this gets set to... Okay. Let's see what that looks like. You like the stone walls? They're in the game, but I don't look at them much. The only thing I don't like is this corner. I don't have a good way to deal with corners yet. You'd think it was easy, but it's actually not easy. Not the way my game is set up. I mean, I need to do something like the fence post where there's just like a square thing, like a cube that everything intersects with, but it throws off a lot. And then, this pattern, since this is geo, this isn't a texture. To do the roofing, you know, it was really hard to have this be procedural. It is repeating, but not in like a clean way. So I had to do something just like random, not random, but like the white slats. And then I got these normals issues, which, oh, they don't even line up. Interesting. Okay. Gotta fix that. Wait, they line up here. What? Do they? No, they don't. They don't line up. Okay. I fix later. Alright, so hats. Hats are in the game, right? I just did it? I did it? Oh, so no. It's the hair. I need to add that hair thing. So custom character definition. I need 2 fields. So hat hair long and hat hair short. And I need to set all of my hairs, either long or short. That is easy, don't you worry. That's not easy because some of the female hairs are short, and then some of the male hairs are long. I have it poorly genderized, but you know what, let's leave it like that for now. I'll go in and make it specific later. GUID has been set. Why? Oh. Okay. So now we should have hats. They should have. Let's just see if they show up. They won't switch. They won't swap the hair yet, but they will show up. Look at that. Pretty good. I think I want the... Oh, bam, look at that. So, okay, that's not even... That's annoying. Alright. And it's so shiny because of the stupid glasses. So I need two. I need a shiny and a matte. And the matte one has no emission. And it's very smooth. It's very smooth. And then all the hats get that one. Oh. Smoothness was in the wrong direction. So why is it upset? So this one is not letting go of default material for some reason. Matte. Let's see if that worked. Nope, they're still incredibly shiny. Okay, well this one gets its material now. Oh wait, what? What happened? Why are they all... Did I not put the matte material on them? Hats. Oh, I put shiny on all of them. What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? They still have shiny on them. Why can't I Why won't it let me do this? This is very strange. Matt. It won't let me do all of them, and why? I select them all. I go to element. Oh, first, let's just do this. Make a new element. And then we'll go to matte. IT happy. Matte. Then. Okay. Now they all have matte. But okay, I just realized why this isn't working. Because the stupid UVs are not called the same thing. They don't have UVs in this UV space. I want an orange. There we go. All these packs, because of, I think Blender names its default UV as UV map, but Maya is map 1, so they don't like each other. So let's copy to map 1. Let's go to map 1. Wait. Copy UVs to UV set, map 1. I go to map 1. It does not have UVs. How about this? We'll delete map 1. Delete map 1? It won't let me do that because it's the default. How about this? I'm just gonna delete. It won't let me delete this one either? Oh, I probably need this selected. So delete. Okay, it won't let me delete UV map. Delete map 1. Okay, there we go. Now we only have 1. And they're all UV maps, so that's fine. Let's re-export this. That should be fixed. Problem solved. Everybody calm down. Stop throwing chairs. Isa. Okay, let's just make sure the New York has orange text. Then we can move on. Okay, they're all matte, which is good. And LA, white text, yes, orange. Wait, there should be a white New York. There it is. So, we're good. Let's assign that. Let's, all right, let's get hat hair showing up. So, ooh, I have an idea. What if in the prop, I have a hat hair here? Like, use Alt if hat. Instead of having hair type, it's basically like, if there's a prefab there, use it. But then I gotta set it individually. That wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. I think I like that though. Because the hair type is a little clunky. I'll just have like... So it basically will link to another character prop. And this is like alt hat hair. So if it's a hat, get the hat hair. And let's see, so I go back to the props, go back to hats. Nope, I go to hairs. Oh, I said hairs that time. So prop female hair, I need to make the prefabs. I got one of each. Unpack. Been a while, 99M6. It has been a while. How are you? How are you doing? Welcome back. All right, so I need the hair. So the hat hair. Did I call it hat hair? Yeah, I did. Short. Hat hair long. Okay, and then hat hair long a 1. I might have a few of these eventually. Hat hair short a 1. I want to put them in here. Okay, and then I need props for those. So we were adding hats to the game. The last few streams, we've just been adding better character customization, cooler hair, clothing, shirts, glasses. Now, excuse me. Now we're adding hats, and this is the final thing. There's too many tabs in the character customization screen. Did you do anime hair? What does that even mean? I mean, no, there's nothing ridiculous like anime hair. There's no, like, spiky Super Saiyan hair. What up, Gonzi? What up, Nick? Welcome in. Come on in. Come on in. Close the door. It's getting cold out. It's getting cold out. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so now we have the props for the short and long. So I'm just going to blanket assign long hair to all the female prop hair, and then short hair, oops. Okay. It was 50 degrees when I woke up. That's cold. 50. Remember to add a nerd pack so they can finally be a nerd? Oh, you can finally be a nerd. I'll just show it off for a sec. So the stuff we've added some nicer hairs. Like, I'd say this one is one of the nicer long hairstyles. Just give a dark color. We've added some. So we've added a lot of glasses. A lot of choices for glasses. So you can roleplay as me if you just wear these. Or you can just be a nerd. What else did we add? Oh, I have so many shoes to add, but they're so high poly that I have not gotten to it yet, and it looks like the shoe camera is a little messed up. We've added a bunch of shirts. So you can wear a suit. You can wear like a big hoodie. I like the big hoodie. And pants, we haven't done anything with pants, and now you can put on a hat. So what I gotta do is swap out. So when you put a hat on, you need to swap out your hair for different hair. Can you guys stop fighting? Gonzo, you're such a troublemaker. You love to rile everyone up. Gonzi, this looks familiar. This person looks familiar. Oh, I just realized that the hat hair is going to show up as one of these possible... Yeah, I don't want the hat hair... I don't want you to be able to assign one of the hat hairs in here. I actually have to remove it. Where is it? Yeah, it's this one. Well, at least it works. Wait, how did I spin her? There we go. Nothing's poking through. Yeah, that looks good. Hey, there you go, nerd. Cool. So I need to make a separate resource folder that just is hidden. hat hairs. And then the hat hairs go in the hat hairs folder. And okay. Now the logic. I need to write the logic. So I might as well grab. Should I do a resources.load like when I need it? Nah, that's dirty. Oh wait, I don't need to do a resources.load because it's referenced in the prop itself. So what do? I need to, if I assign a hat, remove the hair and assign a temp hat hair. Check if the hair is long or short. What I actually need to do is check if the hair has an alternative. So if hair dot hat hair. Oh, hair prop. Do I actually? Oh, char def dot hat prop dot hat. Nope. Hair prop dot hat hair. If is not null, then assign it. So attach prop. Ooh, interesting. So this is going to overwrite the hair, but I want to save a reference to the old hair because if we take the hat off, I want your previously selected hair to pop back up. Any sort of developer's version coming soon? That is what we're working on. I want to get this demo out. I want people to play it. I'm trying really hard. So I think like 6 or 7 streams ago, right after the Steam page was dropped, we're just like, let's plan the demo. And I got to hit that list. Once I finish this, the next thing on my list is to finalize guest group events. So like you basically throw an event for a group of guests to come. So I got to finish implementing that. And then I'm going to go back to the demo core list. Like, what do I need to get done to get the demo out? Then the game shall be playable. Okay, so this, I need to cache the hair. So where does that go? I could have another hair, like hat hair type. Or a cached hair type. The worms are their money. Their bones equal dollars. What are you talking about? Saved up money for it? It's not going to be expensive, don't you worry. Also, the demo shall be free, of course. All right, how am I going to do this? I think I'm going to do the hat hair prop. I think I'm going to do a hat hair prop. And it's just going to overwrite the hair visually, but they'll be cached separately. Do I need to load them? Yes. Oh, interesting. So this should be able to be null. So I need to do this. Okay. So this is a little safety, just in case there's no hat hair provided. Where the F is Nick. Nick's here. He's looking for some smooches. There he is. Does anyone need help learning Final Cut? Are you a teacher now? Okay, I need a prop type. And they do not get a, okay. All right, so they do not get a window, like a GUI. So I don't have to worry about this. But what I do have to worry about is in the create character. I need to grab them all. Right? No, no. Create character doesn't need to know about that. Just the definition. And what I'm going to do is, so if the prop type equals hat hair, if I assign null, it removes it. So I don't have to worry about that here. But if I assign a thing, we don't want to actually, yeah, we just want to remove prop hat hair. I don't need this. I just need the one. Hat hair. Ooh, this sounds like Bee and Puppy Cat. Has anyone watched Bee and Puppy Cat on Netflix? Ooh, that show is so good. Okay, so actually, I don't need a reference. I don't need that. I just change hair. I remove hair. So removing the prop destroys the game object. But if I do a prop type, I just destroy the game object of type. I haven't watched it yet. I'm in the middle of binging Bluey. And you mean like Blue's Clues? Are you making fun of me? Are you saying Bee and Puppy Cat sounds like a children's television show? That's what I'm sensing. That's exactly what I'm saying. Dare dressed as Bluey at Kami. Wait, unassigned hat. Oh, wow. I already have that here. So, yes. So let's remove prop hat. So if we assign new hair, we remove the hat. That makes sense. That's a normal thing. Does that mean hat and hair is the same asset type? It's just like what's on your head. Did I even need a whole separate hat thing? Forget about it. Don't think about it. Just keep going. Okay. So we remove the hair. We assign the new hair, and then we set the material. And the old hair, since we don't really change it in the chart, in the character definition, it's saved. So all I have to do is assign hats last. And if there is a hat, the hair gets overwritten. This should just work. What? No. No way. This can't be it. 3 lines of code? I don't know. I don't feel good about this. Let's see. Let's check it out. I think we're going to run into some edge cases where this is not going to work, but... Can't be it. Oh, and I'm almost out of coffee. FB, can you make me some coffee? Please. Oh, the random button doesn't work anymore. Because... I know why. I need to force populate arrays. Select. Force populate arrays. There we go. Can I randomize? Okay. So we randomized, right? We're this guy. They look cool. Oh, their feet are gone. Okay, problem. But that's not what we're going for right now. So if we assign a hat, I want to see that hair change to something else. Bam. So it changed to a short hair. So some hats don't need to change the hair. The headphones do not need to change the hair. And then these hats are just straight up missing. Oh, that was weird. And then if we go back to none, we want to go back to the hat. Oh, this is all messed up. So why is that? This first one should have no hat. Hairs, hats, prop hat 0. It has none, but it's not removing it. That's weird. It should basically... Yeah, it should have just like deleted it. Maybe here, case prop. Maybe because I'm missing... So when I remove hat hair, interesting. When I remove hat hair, I want to remove hair and then reassign regular hair. So I want to delete the current hair and then attach prop. Hair prop. Ooh. 29. Which is the sailor hat. So it goes... That doesn't make any sense. This music got a little... Oh, I can't trust these playlists sometimes. Oh, it's because after the Booyah Grandma clip, it auto-played this other crazy one. Oof, that was a lot. I'm sorry. Okay, we're back. We're back. All right, but something funky is going on here. Let's watch the character. Yeah, let's watch this. Let's lock it. Oh, so look at that. It's assigning 2, it's assigning 6, it's assigning 2. Boom. Doesn't assign anything. But it is assigning it here. So we're assigning 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 1, 0. Not removing it though. Why? Hit P? No. Sorry, Gunzi. Not hitting P. What do you think? I'm crazy? You think I'm crazy? Did I just hit P out of nowhere? You have no faith in me. You guys have no faith in me. Have faith in me. Alright, now I'm just spouting nonsense. What the heck is going on here? Oh, I know what it says. You're gonna tell me twice. That's rude. That's very rude. Okay. What the funk is going on here? I funkin' don't understand. I don't funkin' get it. So when I go to assign something that's null, what happens when I assign something that's null? I attach this prop, which is a prop. I say, hey, char_def set prop. So I set it prop.prefab. If the prop.prefab is null, attach the material. That's the problem. I forgot I need an empty game object that represents the no hat hair. So hat hair. So I need hat hair none. Which is annoying. It's not good, but there's a reason. There's reasons for all this. And then I need a prefab that's just an empty group. Okay, done. So now I need to assign this. And it should work. But when it is none, I actually don't want to change the hair. Oh no. Huh. This is getting a little complicated because... Oh, I'm getting work slacks. No. Get out of here. Okay. is a little bit of a mental exercise here because I always this should be fine. This should be fine. So this isn't the right logic anymore, because now there always is going to be hat hair. So what I need to do is, if the prop has no mesh renderer, then no, there's some problem here, because sometimes I assign no hat hair because I want it to be bald underneath. But sometimes I assign no hat hair because you're assigning regular hair. So I need to discern those two instances. You null your hat hair every single night, every Sunday night. I null my hat hair every Saturday or Friday morning. I have a very strict ritual on Friday mornings where I shave my head. That's why you guys always get the 5 o'clock head hair. You never get the slicked head. Okay, so let me at least implement this to the point where it half works. And that requires me to say, so male hair 0 is bald. So this is going to be none. And remove hat. So there's actually two states. There's none, and there's like bald. Like no hat hair or bald hat hair. I think that's the missing piece. So none and bald. You're right, New Mexico is a state. Good on ya. I think this is gonna work. Yeah. This is gonna work. So I need to discern the difference between these two. And when I reassign hair, I need to make sure it's none. Also, these are not alphabetical, which is not good. Oh, actually, well, as long as a bald version. No, I need none to be the first thing. So I'll just call it 0, 0, and then bald long chart. Okay. Thanks, Gunzy. I never did any sort of proper Twitch stuffies today. Good morning out there. My name is Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It is an Innkeeper-Sim life sim game. We're working on character customization today. Feel free to follow. I work on stuff twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings. Feel free to click the Steam link provided by Gonzi MP3 to Wishlist Alpine Lake. That would make me happy. It also greatly benefit the game's future. And yeah, we're going to keep going and figure out this bald hair conundrum. Let me just see. Let's see the current state of the problem, because the problem is, it's twofold. I might need to write it down because I can't keep it in my head. So if we have hair assigned, great. If we assign a hat, we immediately go to the hat hair, but we didn't assign the hat there. There's no hat on her head. So the first assigning does not work. Then we go to the second hat. It assigns. And she keeps the hat hair, which is good. Third hat, fine. Go back to the first hat. It assigns. Go to the bald hat or no hat. Does not unassign. So. And it does have a prop. It has a prop. So there is a problem. There is a problem. But I don't know where the problem is. There is a possibility that I'm assigning hair here. And it can't assign hat in the same frame. Like, it's having a hard time doing both of these things because I'm instantiating and destroying objects in the same frame, and that's probably not healthy. That's a no-no. So it's almost like I need to check to see if there's a hat before I assign the hair. And if there's a hat, I don't assign the hair. I assign the hat hair. But what that also means is when I assign hair, I need to make sure I unassign hat. Oh, this sucks. This is not clean. Oh wait, that's weird. That is weird. So the hat. Let's just throw some debugs in here. That's the only way to get to the bottom of this. So we're gonna spawn the prop, right? Let's just say we're spawning the prop. We're gonna spawn hat hair to hair. Is this the problem? Was that the problem? I just didn't assign the hat hair prop. That might have been it. Oh my god, Gonzi. I didn't even realize he just had that up the whole time. Ugh, killing me. And in case anyone missed it from earlier, I'm going to show off FB's costume one more time. This is FB's costume from Comic-Con. It's incredible. We got Cap'n with Thor's hammer, Venom arm, Venom coming out of his back. Sick. That's FB. FB, that's you. Crazy. Crazy motherfucker. He was Cabin Crunch. Alright, so I go to here. Oh no. Wait. What just happened? A bunch of errors. Okay, so I assign hat hair if hat hair does not equal null. So it looks like I just don't assign hat hair anyway. It looks okay. I need to make sure. So I allow hat hair to be null. So I need to allow it to be null here, because it could be null. If hat hair does not equal null and No. This was right. No, this was right. It's the hat props hat hair. No, it's the hair props hat hair. Oh, God. It's horrible. This is so confusing that my code is confusing me after like 1 minute of not looking at it. If we assign a hat, we remove the hat. I think what's happening here is we're assigning hair the first time, and it's removing the hat, the beret, the second we assign it. So let's just say attaching hat hair. Attaching hair. Attaching hat. Oh, and we actually want to prop.name. I just realized also I don't have any of these IDs set, which is incredibly important. That could be part of the problem. But it might also not matter. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Set these IDs. Yeah, it looks like none of them have IDs, so it probably doesn't matter. All right, so we're assigning hat. Assigning hat hair. Assigning hair. Gotta get to the bottom of this. Any chance you can add Benno to one of the characters? No. It was both arms. Yeah, that looked really tiring. You had to hold that up the whole time. Even if you wanted to put it down, you couldn't. Any chance we can get that spider hat I paid for? Yeah, you need to describe what it should look like, because I made it red and blue and you said no, that's not good enough. No, it's not good enough. I want a better spider hat. You put the colors in the wrong place? Is it as simple as that? Okay. All right, so let's assign a hair. Great, we have a hair. Let me clear. Okay. So we immediately attached hair prop female 14, then we attached prop hat 12. Why did we assign? Oh, because I'm hovered over it. Let's clear that. So we're here. We've kind of gone back, which is good. I go to the right, and we've attached prop hat 1, and we've attached hair. So that's part of the problem. We shouldn't be attaching hair. We never attach hat hair. Where's hat hair? How come we don't attach hat hair? So we attach female hair 14. That's normal. That should be the first thing that happens. Then we attach the hat, which is the beret. Great. we're attaching prop hat 01, which is the beret. Great. But we're then attaching prop hat hair long, but in the hair slot, which is deleting the hat. Why did it do that? Because we're going here and attaching, because it's a hair type, it's not a hat hair type. Idiot. Oh my god, Andrew. Andrew. These are not hairs. These are hat hairs. Okay. That's part of the puzzle. The fact that it was ever working is confusing, but whatever. So part of the puzzle is making sure that prop type is hat hair. Any chance? Let's see. And it should have 2 white circles on the hat. Why? Can you please send me an image reference as to why it should have 2 white circles? If I hit to the right, we better assign that beret. Beautiful. If I hit to the left, I'd love it if the beret unassigned. No. Alright. And also, why does this have no... What is this? What is this button that has just no hair? And it skips a beat. The spider's eyes? But are you referencing something that exists, or are you making up the design in your own head right now? Text it to me, yeah. What do you mean? So you just want me to swap the blue? Like that? Oh, like that? I don't know if I can make that. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. He wants me to make this. Can we just leave it like this? And there's your Spidey hat. Alright, one sec. Got an idea. Whoa. Nice. Can I leave it like that? Can I leave it like that, please? I'm happy with this. I'm glad. I don't know. I'll fix it up. I'll fix it up. Fix it up. Okay. It's probably the best I can do without breaking any laws. He's happy? Is our boy happy? It's gorgeous. He loves it. Yay. Alright. See, I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. This looks like Darkwing Duck hat. Make it purple. It does look like Darkwing Duck. What happens to her face? Oh my god. There we go. It did not like that I was playing the game while I updated all the props. Looks like I broke it. I hate that it happens. Even though I name the thing the same, it just kind of knows that it's a different object. No, it actually just had a bad transform. All right, you happy? Oh, it's 8:30 already? Man, this went by so fast. It always goes by so fast. Oh boy. Okay. All right, so we didn't fix our bug, which was, why aren't hats not working properly yet? So we need to unassign. So okay, that was good. The eyes are way too small and it looks weird, but we're gonna leave that for now. So I have to figure out why hat number 5 I bet it's bad transforms again. Yep. Okay, hat number 5 problem is fixed. It was just a bad frozen transform issue. And we're almost there. We're almost fixing all the bugs, and then hats are implemented. We just got the one more complicated one, which is why the F won't hats unassign? Right? Why won't they like unassign? Like, oh my god. Let's just double check all of my properties. Oh, right, and attaching hat hair. This actually worked. So yeah, the last thing is supposed to be attach hat hair, not regular hair. Ooh, now that's a song. Attach beret. Clear. It doesn't do anything. That's the problem right there. It's like literally does nothing. We go here, it does something. We go here, it does nothing. So, why does it do nothing? Why? Did I do something wrong? Hats. Oh, yeah, because I need a no hat. Guys, I need you to pay attention to these things for me. I need you to catch the mistakes Please. I need a no hat. Ugh. Okay. My boss is behind me, so I can't null around. Yeah, let me talk to your boss. I want to tell him all the horrible, horrible things you say in my chat that I need to delete and moderate. God. Okay, so it immediately attached hat hair long and removed. So this. Okay. This is a step in the right direction. At least when I go back to it, it unassigns the stinking hat. But it doesn't so if it's nothing, we need to put the old hair back. So let's figure out exactly the best way to do that. I could just do like a really gross thing and check to see if it's 00 in the name. That's gross. What I probably should do is let's see the best way to do this. So I have a hat. It has 00. It is the hat socket. It has it's basically like if this hat gets assigned, which is no hat, put the hair back on. I'm getting a little tired of this whole reassigning talk. That's really unfortunate, Nick, because it ain't gonna stop. It ain't gonna stop until it's fixed. Fix that horn. Yeah, that's horrible. I can't fix that. I can mute for a sec. It's gone. Good for you. You learned. So here's the problem. I want to remove the hat. And I'm assigning hat hair if the current hair has, if we have hat hair, right? If the current hair prop has hat hair, I want to assign null. But if this is hat hair 0 or none, I don't want to do that. I'm going to do something dirty. I'm just going to have a I'm going to add something here. So no hat. Wait, this is terrible, right? I have a bool that will only be true for like one thing. No. That's no good. No good. So if prop dot name equals, I'm doing it. I'm doing the dirty deed. The real gross one. If prop hat equals 0000. So gross, I know. I just want it to work and move on with my life. We return and we don't do any of that. No, we don't return. If prop hat equals 0, we reattach the hair. But the hair was previously attached, so... Nah, let's just attach the hair. And then else. This makes me sad, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'm sorry. Just gotta have that ugly, ugly if statement. Doing a string comparison. But oh shit! I gotta check how long it takes to get to LAX. Map. I might have to end the stream because I have to drive my wife to the doctor down by the airport, and traffic is so nuts. It's just no, not the international terminal. Just somewhere over here. How long to get to the Holiday Inn? Directions. Starting home. Oh no. Oh, there's no track. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Okay. I have to end the stream in 8 minutes. Ah, shoot. I should probably end it now if I was a good person. Let's just see if this is all sorted out. Yeah. All right. Nope, we didn't fix it. So we're still... Traffic in LA is horrible, but going south in the morning is not so bad. No, yeah, it's bad. Toronto is an hour from Toronto. Yeah, all cities suck. They all do. I can't wait to not have a car anymore. I'm gonna have to fix this bug some other time. That's too bad. That's too bad. But I gotta go. It's time to go. It's time to go. Let's do a quick little raid. Who's on? Nobody. I don't know any of these people. We're not gonna raid. We're just gonna end it. I'm so sorry. I want to keep going. I want to stay here forever, but can't. Gotta drive to the airport. Then I gotta do work. I appreciate you all coming out. I'll see you on Thursday. Hope you all have a good week. Hope you all have a good 2 days until then. If I don't see you, then have a good weekend. Wait, what do you want? What? You have 3 seconds. 3, 2. Just don't go, that's it. Okay, bye-bye.